Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on an OAuth authentication vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is authentication bypass via OAuth implicit flow. So, allow login with social media account. Attacker to log into other users' accounts without knowing their password. We need to get into Carlos's account to solve the lab. We have his email address. And we have our own username and password. Sweet, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate that. So, OAuth implicit flow. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we're going to go to my account. And we're now redirecting you. Sweet. We're going to go Wiener, Peter, and then authorize the blog, profile and email, continue. And this is going to forward us back to the blog. Here we go with this access token. And now we are logged in, right? Okay. Let's log out and look at that flow. All right. So here's where we get the page. We, looks like this was a get when we told it it's now redirecting us to social media. And in that, we had the OAuth URL, client ID. So this was maybe our session or somehow identifying us. Redirect URL. So this is where it comes back to. Response type token and nonce. So in the scope, OpenID, profile, email. So those were what it was looking for. All right. And then get auth client. So here's that request. And it redirected us to here. This is where we signed in using our social media username and password with that cookie as interaction. And then we got a 302 found, interaction, resume, session.legacy. Those two are the same. And then, okay, get interaction. We still haven't been redirected back yet. This is that we want profile and email. We say, yep, that's fine. And then get OAuth. Here's where we get redirected back, right? Yeah. So we get callback access token, expiration token type, and the OpenID scope of profile and email. Okay. So here's where we get the OAuth callback. And it's checking it. So we're going to fetch, authenticate, post, headers, body, email, sub, token. And then, so we're going to do that. First, we do the options to make sure that we can actually do this. And we do get access control, allow origin, method, post, which I believe is what we want. Oh, no, it's just a get with the bearer token. So here's our information from the OAuth. And then here's where we authenticate. So if I understand correctly, post to authenticate, send to repeater. What if we were to authenticate as, oh, suck. How do I do this and not solve the lab? Well, let's send this first, see what response we get. We get a 302 found with a session. What if I sent this as Carlos at, it's Montoya, carlos-montoya.net. carlos-montoya.net. And the username of Carlos using the same token. We've got a 302 with the session. I wonder if we just... Okay, good. I don't know how to validate this without solving it. So this is what I'm going to do. Take this, copy, go here, and I think this is going to solve it. If I understand it correctly. Yeah, see? Okay. So we just got to write this, do this again in freaking the script. But what did we do? So the problem is what causes this vulnerability, proxy, is that right here, it is taking this token, sending it to the OAuth person and saying, hey, I want to make sure that this token, give me the user information for this token. And the OAuth provider says, okay, yes, I do see you're authorized for that. Here's the information requested, right? And then the application, so this is the OAuth provider, this is the application, then says, okay, well, I want to store that so that for the user. So then it sends in JavaScript, it sends this post with the details provided from the OAuth provider. So we modified the email and the username, but kept the token valid so that when we actually logged in, we had a valid token, but the email and username was for a different user. And it could have been any user, but we chose Carlos because we knew because we knew that would solve it, to be totally honest. Yeah, that was it. And then here's where we sent, we got this. think this is where we changed. I don't know. And then we used the session we got in response to log in right here. So we sent this post authenticate with that same token, modified these two, got a session, used that session to view my account and solve the lab. Sweet. All right. Let's solve this. Copy. And I don't really know what I need to do. Utils, create script in Python to solve this. Vim authentication. I know. Okay. What are the steps I need to do? I'm going to just wait 15 minutes so that we get a fresh, I think fresh is overused, so I apologize for saying it, so that we get a new lab that is not already solved. All right, so I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so hopefully it is dead now. There we go. And let me just open it another one up so we can start with a new one. And so we are going to just copy the flow up until, so we're going to copy this. Oh, no, we don't need to copy this. We need to go to my account. And then we'll get redirected. So do we need, oh yeah, we need this. We need an interaction. So proxy, HTTP history. So we went to, from here, went to my account and then social login. And then we got redirected. So we probably want to do that same. Okay, so we're going to get homepage, get a session, go to /social login with that session, and then extract the meta refresh, the redirect stuff. All right. So let's do that. So what I said was we're going to get the session blog.get response blog.base URL resp equals session equals resp dot cookies dot get session cookies equals session, right? Could we just get log.info resp.cookies? What is resp.cookies? Oh. We do need back to copy link. Oh, we want Python authentication -d that. So it's a cookie jar. Can we use that? I don't know if we can use it. I'll leave this for now, just in case we can. Instead of a dictionary is what I'm saying. Can we use a request? I don't think we can use a request cookie jar. We're not going to use it. Whatever. All right. So I said we wanted to get the session, then we wanted to get slash. So blog.get response blog.slash base URL slash social base URL plus social dash login, right? And we need to do that with our cookies. So cookies equals cookies resp equals, and then let's do log.debug resp.text. That way we can make sure that we got everything right and we've got that refresh or that redirect in the response. Here it is, and it looks like it's all one line, which is cool. So we should be able to do extract blog.extract text, and our pattern equals r semicolon. We'll do meta refresh content 3 URL equals, because that's what we want. Looking for anything that would, so we want double quotes. I think all those characters are fine. A dot asterisk question mark, and we're gonna go until the ampersand. Ampersand. Okay, that's our pattern. So pattern request resp.text. This is the OAuth URL equals log.info OAuth URL. All right, so that's that one. Let me make sure I know the differences between all three of these. Oh, this one's got the URI redirect URI. I think we want this one and not this. This has the client ID. What happened? Why is there two? Okay. So when we get this, oh, it's the whole thing. And sorry. My bad. So we want refresh content URL equals, and then we're going to go until the single quote. That makes sense. Single quote, boom. All right. Let's check it. Make sure we've got a good OAuth URL. OAuth client ID. We've got a redirect URI, so where we come back to once we've given permission. And that's the response type will be token. We've given it a nonce, and we've told it the scope. Cool. So we've got up to here. We need to actually get this, call this URL, and yeah. And what I probably will need to do is move a lot of this into a class, since we're going to keep doing OAuth. So I need to do blog.get response. This time it's OAuth URL and no session. Yeah. And this will redirect us. It'll set some cookies and redirect us. So resp log.debug resp.text. Let's go like this. Log.debug resp.cookies. See what we got there. All right. No cookies. So we've got what was this last request? So we went there, getting a response from that. And no cookies. href interaction. So in here we get, this was that redirect. Did we automatically redirect? What was this? I don't know what the response type was. Whether it was 3202. Oh, right here. No, we got a... Why here did we get a 200? Here we got a... Here we got a... Oh no, we got a 200 too. Sorry. I don't know what I was looking at. Never mind. All right. So, boom. We got this. And then here we log in with our social username and password. And this, so we got username, password, no freaking CSRF. But we send it to here as a post. Okay. Form autocomplete. So we need to extract the action. Let's take this off. Oh, we do have cookies though. What was the requesting cookies? Did this didn't set any, but we do have at least this cookie. So let's make sure we add that. Cookies equal let's do log.debug so we want interaction cookie equals resp.request _cookies .get _interaction. I already have it highlighted. Interaction cookie. Let's log.info interaction cookie. Save that guy. I'm going to run it here while I figure out the next step. The next step is we need to post this form. All right. Yeah, we got the interaction cookie, which was we received here. Yeah. Now we need to post that form. So, and we need to figure out where it goes to. It goes to the session, the interaction. So if blog.no proxy requests.post, the URL will be, we need to get we don't even know the OAuth URL, do we? What's our current, how do we get the current URL? Crap, I don't know. Let's check this out. IPython import requests dot get, let's do rec equals request dot get https www dot, or let's go to PortSwigger.net, right? Because, oh no, we have OAuth URL. Where did we get that? Oh, that was the full thing. So we can break that down to, we can do like this. Import from URL lib.parse, import URL parse. And then here we can do like OAuth domain equals URL parse OAuth URL dot net log.info OAuth domain. All right. Control CD. Yes. Let's run it. Make sure we get that domain printed out. I'm so happy things are running faster. Yeah, there's the domain. We can see it. Perfect. Makes it so much easier to write these things. All right. And then we needed to go fill out this form, right? Where's the... It's not this one. Oh, it's right here. Because we're going to visit the OAuth plus this. We've got the OAuth domain. If blog proxy post equals. I can do schema here too, right? Or is it scheme? Scheme or schema? I want to say it's schema. Python URL parse. URL parse. Scheme. Okay, scheme. Let's do OAuth scheme equals URL parse OAuth URL dot scheme. Now here we're gonna do, whoops, OAuth scheme, boom, 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 OAuth domain, boom, slash, and then it's interaction slash We can set this. Let's do this in the URL equals this stuff. And then we'll do F here. Here we need the cookie, right? The value of this interaction cookie right there. So here, interaction cookie. And then the next one was login. Okay, good. Now, so URL. We need to provide our cookie, right? Let's see, when's the last time we post? Wasn't this one? This one. Post interaction. Nope. So we got this. Got this form. Oh. We didn't. We posted interaction session legacy. Where did it get that crap? Dang it. From this one. This was after the username. Wait. What? Oh, yeah. We haven't got that far yet. Okay. So we got this one. And we got this one with the form, right? Boom. And now we're posting this one with the interaction and the username, password. Okay, cool. So we need cookies equals cookies, data equals data. The cookies need to be the interaction cookies equals underscore interaction cookie, and the data equals what is going to be Wiener Peter, right? Wiener Peter, yep. All right. We're going to grab the response equals. We're going to do else the same, but with proxies equals utils.proxies. And verify equals false. Let's print, or let's log.debug resp.text. And see how we're doing. Let's figure out what's next. All right, so after we post that, we get a 302. And then interaction resume. Where's that? Why does it change the name of this cookie seemingly on its own? Because I don't see that anywhere. But it picks up a bunch of cookies and then gets redirected again. All right. So where did we go? We did interaction. Get interaction, whatever. Post. Where's our data? OAuth. Well, one, okay, so I really messed up with the data. Really messed up. I think it's probably username and password. Uh, where's the other? Well, we can just look at the form right here. We need username, password. Okay. So, username and password. Was that the only issue? Let's check. Something went wrong. 302 found. Is that right? Nope. Invalid request. Authorization request is expired. Because I don't know where this is. I'm going to go through. Well, here we go. So we did a get and got. No, we're not to there yet. We're to here. So we submitted the interaction, username, and password. Interaction, username, password. That looks good. This one. They got a 302 found to auth. And why did it change this? So when they posted this, they got a 302 redirect. When we posted, we got a 302 redirect. But when we did the get, we got a 400. And it's got to be because interaction. So let's do here, allow redirects. Allow redirects equals false. Allow redirects equals false. And then, yeah, let's see about that. We're going to change the cookies around now for seemingly, I don't know why. Cookies equals interaction resume interaction cookie. All right, let's see what that. So we did a post. We're redirected to /auth. And is that the same as what we got down here? /auth, yep. And then we did interaction _ resume. We should get rest text. We should get the log.debug dir resp. How do I get the resp redirection target? Let's see. Is redirect. Is permanent redirect. Reason. I don't think it's URL. I think, well, we can try a few of these. So connection content, cookies, elapsed coding, headers. We can get headers, location. So that's probably what we want. Log.debug, resp.headers.get location. Sorry about the dog. The beast decided to wake up and then bark for no reason. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. There's the header. Okay, so let's write this down. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I shut the door. I won't shut him up, but it'll make it so I don't lose my mind. So we need auth equals resp.headers get location, like that. We're going to no longer need any of this stuff. We're going to change the cookies, and then we're going to do the get. So we're going to do blog.get response auth URL cookies equals cookies. All right. Resp equals, let's check that. So when we did resume, yes, we did get this. And we got, sweet. All right, we need to capture all of these cookies. And then I think we'll post form. We'll post there with all these cookies. So let's call it interaction cookie equals, and I think we need to do resp dot request dot underscore cookies dot get interaction, and then interaction resume. While it looks like it's the exact same, change word resume. I'm just going to get it anyway. Resume. Let's call it cookie. Just so they're named all the same. Cookie. To session and session.legacy. So, and it is underscore session cookie equals resp dot request dot underscore cookies dot get underscore session. Yep, and then session legacy. Session legacy cookie equals session dot legacy. So cookies equals a dictionary with underscore interaction cookie underscore interaction resume cookie underscore session cookie, and then finally underscore session dot legacy session legacy cookie. Okay. Ooh, those are all the cookies. And then we need to post an empty body to this URL, which is the interaction, the same URL / confirm. Okay. So the same URL interaction, we can just do if blog.no proxy resp equals requests.post URL cookies equals cookies, no data. I don't know about redirects yet. Else we'll do this with the freaking, what is it? Oh, proxies equals utils dot proxies and verify equals false. Let's do log.debug resp. And let's make sure we define these things here. So URL equals, we're going to do, should we extract the action? It's probably better to do that. Resp. So right here, let's see, dest path equals extract text, and this is blog.extract text. The pattern will be autocomplete equals off action equals copy r single quote dot asterisk question mark boom double quote single quote. Yeah, that should work. Oh, we can add the space. So in the past I had a bad experience when I ended a regex with a quote. So I try not to do that anymore. So we've got the dest path resp.text, and that is where we are going to. So the URL is the OAuth. So we're building it kind of like this up to here. And then it's going to be the dest path. Dest path. Okay. And we're going to post just the cookies and nothing else. Whew. All right, let's see where we've got to now. So hopefully I can turn this into a class so that we only do this, we figure it out once. Maybe next time cookies conflict. So this was getting a response from auth. Interaction resume. Request cookies. Line 52. Oh, there's multiple. Well, what the heck? What was this? The last resp was a auth URL, was a get. This is the 302. So interaction resume cookie. So it's saying that there's multiple. We're getting this from the request. What if we just get it? We can't get it from the response. What if we don't get it at all? And just call it the same as interaction cookie. Like that. I don't know exactly why we're getting that error right now. Hey, we got farther. So we got this one that said that redirected us back to this site. Awesome. And then this is where this is the back to the site, the OAuth callback. We want to not allow redirects and capture this request, right? Let's do that. So here we want allow redirects equals false and allow redirects equals false. And then we want to extract the URL. So call back URL equals, we want extract blog.extract text. The pattern will be redirecting to a href like that. So our single quote there dot asterisk question mark there to double quote, boom, callback URL, and then this is a single quote. Cool. We're gonna get that without these cookies, and then we'll get a new session. So blog.get response callback URL resp equals that. What's wrong here? Oh, this callback here. What is wrong? Oh, no. Resp.text. Thank you. Whoops. Control C, D, yes. There. All right. Dang, we did not extract that pattern. Why not? Oh, was this post? Oh, it's because we're not allowing redirects. The 302, we need to allow redirects. We got it, and we posted. Why aren't we allowing? I don't know. We need this redirect. It's the this one that we need to not redirect. So this is the problem. We're getting a post and then a redirect and the redirect. Okay. So undo this. We're going to get the location. So URL equals resp.headers.get location. And then we're going to call that one. So blog.get response URL. And we're going to resp equals. Do we need, I'm sure we need the cookies. So cookies equals cookies. And then this one, we're not going to allow redirects equals false. All right. Ooh, that looks like we got get OAuth callback. Why didn't we get the whole? Why didn't it get from there to there? Log.info call back URL. Oh, no, it did. What? Oh, it's got to be because of that pound sign. Ooh. How am I going to deal with that? This is a long. This is for an easy one. This is taking a long time to code. So yeah, we've got the whole thing. Oh, that one didn't. I don't see a pound sign in that one. There must have been though. Yeah, right there. Access token. So I need to go. How do I? Oh, I don't need it to. Yeah. I don't need it to. Because this is just submitting it for us, but I can submit it through the script. So it's doing a fetch, get, bear with the token, and then it's going to do a post with, okay. Fetch. With the token. Why does it do this get? What response comes back? So it's r.json. So do you see r used anywhere? Yeah, but that's only after the post equals r document. Whatever. I don't see the point of this request. This goes to OAuth, get bearer token. It's this request that I care about, right? And this has the token, same token here. And that token, window hash substring, token equals access token. So the access token is what we already have right there. Boom. So we've got the callback URL. Let's say access token equals blog.extract text. We want our single quote access token equals dot asterisk question mark until the ampersand. And amp question mark single quote. There's the access token. Now we just need to post to authenticate with email, username, and token. So get callback URL. Do we need, when we get OAuth callback, we don't need this at all. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to do the post. So if blog.no proxy res equals requests.post, the URL is going to be blog base URL plus authenticate dot base URL plus authenticate and cookies. We don't need any cookies, right? Let's go down to kind of the beginning. We do need a session cookie. Get auth. So this was that. This is a get me, whatever. We don't need that. We need a session. Do we need a session? Send, probably not. Do we have one? We do. From the OAuth callback, which we just killed. Let's let's unkill that. Callback URL. So let's do blog resp equals blog.get response blog.base URL plus OAuth callback. Just get that, and then we'll get the session token. Session token equals resp.get.cookies.get session. All right. Access token. What's wrong with this? We need the text. The text for the access token is in the callback URL. Callback URL. Okay. And then here we're going to post. Remember, we did it in repeater. /authenticate. Authenticate. Let's do cookies equals cookies. Data equals data. Was there anything? Do we need to change any headers? No. That's it. So we need to submit JSON. So instead of data, we're going to put JSON. JSON equals data. And then we'll do data equals a dictionary with email. This is going to be the victim email, username, victim username, and token access token. Okay, I'm going to define these victim ones up here. Victim email equals Carlos at Carlos-Montoya.net. Was it? What was it? Yeah. And then the victim username equals Carlos. Okay. Session token. We need to use that here. Data cookies equals session token p else. And then here we're just gonna do nothing there. Proxies equals utils dot proxies verify equals false. Now in the response, the key thing is we need to get the session token. So session equals resp dot cookies dot get session. And now we can get my account. So blog.get response don't I have like a my account in blog URLs? Let's see. Oh, it would be in site. Yeah. Underscore. Okay. It saves like my account. Hardly any, but whatever. Cookies equals session. Once we do that, we should be able to do blog.is solved. Woo! My gosh. This is a long one. I gotta clean this up. Well, hopefully over the course of the next few, we'll reuse a lot of this code and then we can move it into like proper classes and functions. Lab is solved. Yeah. All right, very cool. So just to recap, the vulnerability lies in the fact that after it gets back from OAuth, from the third party, OAuth, and gets this token, it has no way of knowing the original user that token was issued for. So we can just tell it the user. And then access this because it does a implicit trust that whatever we provide here is what is expected. So we're taking advantage of that. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.